Okay, we're gonna be making a volcano out of Play-Doh. We're gonna be making a volcano out of Play-Doh. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna be getting up Play-Doh. Okay, say vas a hacer fruta.
Okay. I will make the
Orange and an apple, right?
orange.
Oh, orange and grapes.
See.
Okay. And I'm gonna be making the volcano since she doesn't know how to make it. Okay, so you really need to get started on that.
I will make a banana. Banana.
She's also gonna make a banana. Okay. So you get started and I get started on the volcano. So this is like it's stretchy and hard. Oh, it's super slime! Oh.
Oh. I want the red. Kaya, want the red.
Make a tiny volcano. Pour it. So vinegar doesn't go. I need more Play-Doh.
What? What do we poo-poo?
What? Okay. So wait a second. We'll be right back after I make the volcano and she makes other stuff. Okay. I'm gonna start making the volcano. And I'm gonna get explode too. So I'll be back when I finish the volcano. Okay guys, so I finished the pack with the volcano and see I didn't do nothing. This is possibly you also need some towels. Yeah. So it kaboom doesn't go everywhere. So lava doesn't go everywhere. We're not using real lava. Okay, so now we're gonna try first with the cylinder. First we make like a roll. Okay, so you have to wait, guys. So yeah. Hey guys, we're back and I just made this randomly volcano. Okay, so I'm gonna get the ingredients. So I'm gonna show you her silliness. Okay, haz un grapes, haz un apple, haz un pear, haz un naranja, haz todo.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the stuff. So, we're gonna make some frutas.
I'll make a pizza. Okay, banana.
Ouch. You're not crying. You're showing me her fake crying. She is. No, she is. How sure she is. Are you crying, Kelly? She's not crying. Okay, tú vas a hacer los rocks para esto. Haz los rocks. A ver.
Allí.
No. She doesn't understand. Ok, mira, le das un pedacito y entonces lo pones así. ¿Ok?
¿Qué? ¿A ti?
Ajá, y ahora pones. Good girl.
No. No. No.
La velocidad es vital en la división de honor del futsal. Experimenta un torneo diferente de todo Chile. Los mejores torneos multimotivos los vives solo con Marco. Detrás de cada logro siempre habrá mucho sacrificio. Muay Thai son más que formatos de ahora son más buenas.
Are you okay? You okay? You okay, Kelly? Good guys. Back again. Okay, so we got the main stuff. Okay, go kaboom. Okay. Okay.
Cookie.
That's not
Cookie.
cookies.
There.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Okay, so we got the stuff. No lo tocas. No lo tocas.
The milk.
No. Okay, so we're gonna get a funnel. Yeah. Hey guys, so we didn't find a funnel. Hey. We didn't find a funnel. So we're gonna do it. Okay, saca todo esto. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. First, say first.
Oh.
We're gonna add the vinegar.
Vinegar.
Okay, ya no importa. Vinegar. Okay, Kelly, come here. Kelly. Uh-huh. So she just went, okay, next we're gonna add dish soap. Okay. Next we're gonna add my colored water. Kelly, you pour this in.
Okay.
Oh, it's already coming out. You pour it. You know what? I'm pouring it.
I will pour it.
Oh, you poured it. Ah! Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay. We're gonna add more vinegar. We're just gonna add the vinegar and baking soda. Add the vinegar. No, first we're gonna add the baking soda. No, we're just gonna add the vinegar. Quickly add the vinegar. Quick. Whoa. Quick. Guess we can add baking soda. Okay, just need a little bit more vinegar. Oh, mira. Oh. Good thing we got this on camera. Look at this. Draw. You want to make more? Okay. That one didn't come out with the color. Whatevs! We're gonna make a new one. Add vinegar to this. Vinegar to color. Vinegar to the color. Don't touch. Have vinegar. And I'll add more baking soda. Oh, holy snap. Look at that. So look at that. It's a draw. Okay, now you're gonna pour some in. Okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna pour in this. Right there. Okay. Put it right here. Okay. Now you're gonna add a little bit of this. Okay, you're gonna add the color water. Colored dots. Now, wait, I'm gonna give you a cup. Sorry. Oh, too much vinegar. Okay, so you add the vinegar. Slowly. Oh, no, not there. On the Play-Doh. Okay. And now I will add the baking soda.
I want to take it.
I will add the baking soda. Woo! No, don't touch it more. Just in front of the camera. Whoa. Okay, say like,
Yeah.
subscribe,
You got.
and leave a comment.
You got it.
Bye!